This video is for parents who already have a Parent Portal account. If you need to create a Parent Portal account and your child is already enrolled in a Polk County Public School, visit polkschoolsfl.com/parent portal to learn how to set up your account. To begin your application, log into your Parent Portal account. Take some time to make sure that all of your information, specifically your address, is correct, as an incorrect address could limit your magnet and choice options. On the portal page, you will see individual blocks for each of your children. For now, let's choose a child and start the process. On the left side, you will see a list of your children. Choose one by clicking on their name. Clicking on this will bring up menu options, which includes applying for either a magnet or choice school, IB, ACE, and Summerlin Academy, or for a career academy. You have the option to apply for both applications if you choose. For this child, let's choose a career academy application. On this page, you'll first see a checkbox about a middle school pre-academy. This is an option for prospective high school students who are in a pre-academy in middle school. If your child was not or currently is not in a pre-academy, leave the box unchecked. The other box refers to if the child's parent is active military, as we give priority to placing these students. If this doesn't apply to you, leave it unchecked. Now, you'll see all the academies offered in Polk County Public Schools. Find and rank your top 3 academy choice preferences by selecting the number to the left of the academy. Note that if you choose 2 number 1s, the latter choice will override the first and make it blank. So make sure you see a number next to your 3 top academies. This is a great time to note that the academy selection is not guaranteed and is based on a lottery, not a first-come, first-place system. Once you choose your 3 academies, scroll to the bottom for the sibling entry. This is for noting siblings of the child if that sibling attends an applying school. This will create a priority for selection. After you've completed the application, hit save. You'll receive an email confirmation and you don't have to do anything else. You can also save and print and get a copy of your application that you can print out. You'll be notified of your enrollment, if any, in a program at a later date. Now let's talk about the Magnet Choice, IB, ACE, and Summerlin School application. The only difference in this application is the selection, which is limited to nearby schools based on your address, and the fact that you can make up to 6 selections. Again, this is an application, not guaranteed enrollment. Also, if you receive this warning or don't see any options, contact your child's current school. We want to make sure that all students have the opportunity to attend the magnet or choice, IB, ACE, or career academy that they desire. To help with this, make sure you complete your application by the deadline seen here. If you run into any trouble, here are some numbers that you can call for assistance.